Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying oven cleaner to clean up brake dust off wheels. We ran to Walmart and picked up some great value oven cleaner because I've seen a lot of people use it to clean up wheels, to clean up chrome, to clean up ovens, but I couldn't find any videos on people using it to clean up painted wheels. I'd read a little bit about it and people said not to do it because it'll strip the paint. And today we're going to be testing that because I couldn't find any proof, so we're going to make some. Went ahead and pulled the wheels off the 71. And as you can see, they're supposed to be white. And after years of brake dust, they're not very clean. So I'm not too worried if it messes up the paint because I can repaint them, and these appear to just be some basic trailer wheels anyways, based on the red and blue pinstripe around the edge, and everything's kind of old, rusted, and not in great shape anyways, so what's the worst that could happen? I'm going to start these soaking and show you. All right, they've been sitting about 15 minutes now. I'm gonna take a sponge, scrub them down, let them sit for a little bit more, and then wash them. All right, so I just scrubbed them down. That cleaner just kind of liquefies all the dirt and grime. So I'm gonna spray them off with the hose now and see how they turn out. Alright, just washed all of them off and it cleaned them up really well. I washed them down and then I just took that sponge and wiped them down and rinsed them off again. They look really nice. Maybe not really nice, but 10 times better than they were. So now I'm gonna flip them over, get the other side soaking. Alright, so here's the finished product. It got almost all that brake dust off. All I did was spray them down, let them sit, and go around them with a rag. The inside cleaned up pretty good. The outside, it has a lot of rust on it, so that can't be changed. All it did was clean them up, made them a little bit shiny. It didn't hurt the paint, it didn't peel any paint off, so I see no problem with using oven cleaner on painted wheels. Now to finish it off, we are going to clean up the center caps, and something that Vice Grip Garage YouTube channel showed is to use these soap-filled steel wool SOS pads You just get a little bit wet, start rubbing it on, and it really cleans it up. As you can see the difference there. Just takes off that rust. These aren't perfect, but it's gonna make them look a lot better. So I'm gonna hit all these real quick and I'll show it to you on the truck. All right, so now wheels are back on the truck. We got the center caps all scuffed down, and that took almost all the rust off. They look a lot nicer. The wheels have some rust that wouldn't come off, but it definitely took off all that brake grime and everything that was making the wheels as dirty as they were. As you can see, these wheels are painted. Some of the paint is chipped off. They have some rust, they have chip edges, and the oven cleaner did not hurt the paint at all. So I see no reason at all why you wouldn't be able to use that on painted wheels.